Hello, friends. I got to go to my favorite Dollar Tree finally to see what they have for fall. And they have lots of cool decor and DIY items there, like this really cool tabletop knickknack. I think you could even maybe put a candle behind it or a battery operated one. And of course, they are delivering on the wooden signs just like they always do. They have really cool varieties here. I do have another picture coming up of some of the ones in the back. That is a better picture of those. It's hard to see them when they're all lined up like that. And then there's the thankful sign. They had that last year. This Gather Together is new. There we go. There's a picture of the other one that's way in the back there that I couldn't quite see. These tabletop pumpkins are really awesome. And this one here is my favorite. This Welcome Friends, I really like this one. I think I like that one the best. They've got some scarecrows that you can hang here. And these cool little woodland type owls. I like those. And look at these bejeweled pumpkins. They're not glitter, they're bejeweled. I really thought those were cute. And a burlappy pumpkin. And then here we have some yard signs. I can see those in a planter or in your flower bed. Those were really cool. And these giant bows, and you can't really see it very well, but they all have glitter on them a little bit. Those would be great for like a large wreath project that you might be working on. And then down here, these letters. They're actually words, not letters. Welcome, thankful, and harvest is what they say. And there's 3 of them in there, these little metal words. $1 for that. We got these sparkly, glittery pumpkins, and then here is one lonely little farmhouse white one. And of course, the corn is real cute too. I thought that was neat. And then these wood signs. These really, I don't know if these really last more than a season. Outside, I don't know, but I like them. And these florals, look at these. I don't remember these last year. I think they might be new. These are not new, I know that. They're pretty though. I do have a pan of the whole wall coming up in a minute or so. This one is the same size as the Gather Together. That one's cute. I think I like that one better. And of course they have the window clings and the magnets for your refrigerator in all of the fall themes that you might expect to see. Oh, these are great. This is like a wide ribbon, and they're really elegant. If you look at how elegant those patterns are. I do not know what I would use this for. I guess maybe for a really large wreath, or I don't know, maybe even like to line a picture frame or something. But aren't those cute? I have not seen those before. And then look at these. Oh, look at that ribbon. That is shaped like a leaf. It's like a crocheted leaf. Isn't that beautiful? For $1. And then they have this, that's actually a dark brown. It looks black, but hard to see. And then look at this deep red. Isn't that beautiful? I really liked those. I had to snap up one of those for sure. And here's some more ribbon in a glitter style. And here's a green one also. And then they have these fun picks. I have not seen these before. Pumpkin picks, glittery. Aren't those cute? They also had some larger ones than that. They were larger size pumpkins. Battery operated lights. I'm always fascinated by these. I've never used them. I wonder if any of you have, if you like them. Check out these farmhouse white style pumpkins with the clips. You could clip those right onto a wreath or to a fall centerpiece. And they also come in orange, as you will see right here. Those pretty leaves behind them, those also have clips on them. And then there were these fun pumpkins. Look at these. They look like they have little floral arrangements on top. So I saw the green and yellow one, and then there is this kind of metallic-y one. Those were the two styles that I saw in that particular style. And here's my pan of the wall. I love it when I go in and everything is full. A lot of times when you go in, things are, kind of picked over. There's the leaf garland there and all the other florals. And then, of course, more DIY stuff. They have this burlap ribbon there in the fall colors. Really like those. And then the raffia, if you see that, also in the fall colors. Those are beautiful. I really like that. I mean, for $1, you can't beat that. And then this acorn filler. I mean, I don't know if you would use that as scatter, or I would probably fill like a hurricane glass with that. That's what I would do with those. Oh, and of course they did have some Halloween, and the salesperson told me that they were going to be getting 400 boxes of Halloween coming very soon, along with some Christmas. So if you're looking, your Dollar Tree should be getting them pretty soon. But aren't these gorgeous? I haven't seen these before, these Halloween style bulbs. I think those are really neat. I don't know if I actually need them, but if you have a tree or garland, like some people have Halloween trees, that would work really well for that. And of course they have the little knickknacks up at the front by the registers. I am partial to the Spooky Boo and Eek pumpkins there. I think those are probably my favorites in that display there. Oh, and these glitter pumpkins, those were awesome too. All decked out in the Halloween section there. I would probably, you could probably put that on the wreath too, or some kind of DIY. And then of course they have more of the battery operated lights in the Halloween styles, and these little lanterns. And of course the flashlights, which are awesome for little trick-or-treaters so they can be seen in the dark. And then these stickers. Oh, I love these googly eyes. I haven't really seen any like this other places. I don't know. And of course all of the ribbon they've got lined up along the bottom there. This is just the beginning of their Halloween, like I said. Of course, they just said they're getting, like I said, 400 boxes, and I couldn't believe it when she said that. And yet I can. So, and these stickers are really cool too. They're very colorful. And they have the craft items. You can see there the foam stuff. Okay, so this is what I got. I'm going to do a Halloween DIY. I asked about the boxes coming in because there's something specific I'm looking for, and it hasn't arrived yet. Sometimes I don't know if I'm too late or I'm early. Well, it turns out I was early. So I got some ribbon here, and of course there's that leaf ribbon I bought. That doesn't have to do with the Halloween DIY, but I picked it up because I really like it. And so I'm going to be using all of those items for Halloween DIY. And of course I picked up the words because I will use those for something, definitely. I already have a couple of things in mind that I'm going to be using those for. And you can't beat the price at $1 for that. I also picked up some other items that are not fall related. The tins up there at the top that are magnetic, I have never seen those before there. I mean, I knew they sold them. I've just never seen them. And I was so glad to get those. I almost missed them. That's for another project I'm going to be working on a little bit later in the fall. And of course, some self-explanatory items there. This, that green square thing there at the bottom is a magnetic pen holder. I think it's probably for a locker, but I'm going to be using that for my refrigerator because I need pens everywhere. This little pouch is so cute for $1. My phone fits right in that, and if I go someplace like an amusement park or something where I need to put my phone in a waterproof thing, that's a vinyl, I got that for that. And of course, and that's the magnetic thing. Well, that is my shop and haul. I hope you've enjoyed watching it as much as I've enjoyed bringing it to you.